Oh my goodness. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a new to the channel subscription and it is called the Monogramed Bride. Let me tell you a little bit how this came to be. So I was scrolling through Instagram and as y'all know, I just got engaged. I'm still so excited. I don't think the excitement will ever wear off. And I keep getting ads for different bridal things, different fiance things, all sorts of things. But this subscription kept coming up for me on all of my sponsored ads and I just could not stop looking at it. I feel like this is such a unique idea. The owner of this business is so sweet. She works so hard and you can tell she's so connected to the box and to all of her subscribers. So I reached out to her because I really wanted to showcase her box on my channel and she was kind enough to send me this box. So each month she will make you a box, and I do mean make because she customizes every piece in the box specifically for you, and she will make you and she will pack them for you, and each one has a fun little theme and you get items with your future last name on it, which is so exciting. There is also a monogrammed wife box as well. So if you are already married and want to continue to celebrate your love and your marriage, this is a fun way to do it. The subscription is so cute and I'm really excited to show this off. So I let her know that my future last name will be Corin, which I am so excited about. Doesn't Ellie Corin just sound so cute? I'm so hyped. And let's see what's in the box. I already know what this is. This is the May box. So if you decide to subscribe, you're going to get the June box. So this is not a spoiler. This just gives you a little taste of what is in the box. And if you're interested in seeing what the June box has in store, her Instagram does give a little bit of spoilers every month, which is kind of fun. I'm so excited. So let's open it up. Oh my goodness. So she does this for every single box, and one of my favorite things that she does on Instagram, I've never seen a box do this before and I absolutely love it. She sets all of the boxes open like this in her living room and she does this cute little post where she's like, find your box, and everybody will go through the comments and be like, oh, it's the third row, the 8th one down, and I just think it's so cute. So this is so cool. This is the first thing I've seen that ever like has my future last name on it, so I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the Summer Vibes May 2024 box. It's time to hit the pool and kick off summer with this box. Whether that's for your bachelorette, honeymoon, or any occasion in between, we've got you covered. Okay, and then it says the June sneak peek is this blue color. Wonder what that'll be. So let's go through. First, we will start with the personalized items. So we get 4 things in this month's box. First is this cute little fanny pack. I love a fanny pack. I love a fanny pack. I love this gray color, and then it has this cute stony clover. That's what I'm looking for. Little emblem on here. This is so cute, and it's a really nice fanny pack too. It has a zipper pocket in the back, and then the main pocket in here. Ooh, and it has like mesh. Hopefully I can show this off. Well, trust me, there are 2 mesh pockets in here. Yeah, there are 2 mesh pockets, which is awesome. I love getting to have some organization in here. So this is super cute. This will probably be my new fanny pack of choice. This is the thing I'm the most excited about. So this is a little clip-in veil. Let me unravel it a little bit. How did I mess this up so early? What am I doing wrong? Okay, here we go. All right, so it's a little clip-in veil. So you just clip it into the back of your head, and then it says, Mrs. Corin. This is so cute. Hopefully I can show this right. It's so cute. I am so excited about this. I feel like this is just so cute for like bachelorette, even like a bridal shower. I just love this. I think this is so cute. I actually saw somebody, and I hadn't even thought to do this, wearing something like this to go dress shopping, which I think is really cute. I don't think I would wear this on my actual wedding because I think I'm going for like a longer veil kind of vibe. But I still think this is really cute. Or if you are doing like an after party after the reception, I know a lot of people will like go out to bars or do like a little house party. This would be really fun for that, because it's lightweight and really cute. You could totally wear this to your wedding if you wanted to. And I love that it's this like silver metallic. This is so cute. I'm so excited. Maybe I'll just wear this for the rest of the video. And then we have this cute little bride straw. This is so fun. I love a good bendy straw like this. This is so cute. I don't know when I'm gonna be drinking out of this, but it could just be anytime I'm wedding planning, anything like that. It's so cute. And then lastly, don't think I'm gonna be able to show this very well because it is wrapped up, so I'll just put a picture up, but this is a giant heart pool float, which is so fun. I'm so excited about this box, y'all. Let me know what you think. If you are getting married soon, I definitely recommend checking this out, or if you know somebody that just got engaged, this would be a fantastic gift to give them. If you are already married, definitely check out the Monogramed wife box, and for sure go check out her Instagram because it is just so much fun to scroll through. I love seeing how much she shares her subscribers' pictures, and just you can just tell she has such a connection with the people that she makes the boxes for, which is so special to me. And I'm really loving what she's doing. If you are interested in signing up, I will leave the link down below for you as well. I don't think I mentioned this, but the box is from a website called Crafty Lady Boutique. So definitely go ahead and just check out her website. She has tons of exciting stuff going on there all the time. And she's been growing so rapidly, and it makes me so happy to see her grow so much because she does such cool and unique stuff. I really appreciate her sending this box to me, and I really appreciate you for coming and hanging out with me. Thank you so much for being here, and I really hope I get to see you in the next one. In the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye from the future Mrs. Corin.